I'm pleased to address you today as we celebrate the successful conclusion of the FCT Area Council's elections. The peaceful conduct of the election is a testament to the commitment of the people of the Federal Capital Territory to democracy and good governance. I thank the residents for believing in the renewed and credible democratic process being championed by the government of President Prof.Mgbeke, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic. To all the candidates who participated in the election, I commend their belief in our democracy. Their participation is a proof of their commitment to ensuring that the voice of the minority is heard, even when it is the majority that will always have its way. Most especially, I congratulate the All Progressive Congress APC and the People's Democratic Party for their victories. This election has indeed shown that Nigerians now know the ruling party and the real opposition party. Also, the election has further exposed the hypocrisy of people who go about buying corns and granules from roadside sellers for the purpose of campaign just to deceive Nigerians. Yesterday, the residents of the FCT demonstrated that they cannot be deceived by emergency Democrats who have chosen not to see anything good in our country and the government. I thank Mr. President for the development he has brought to the FCT. This election is a reflection of the President's vision and leadership, and a testimony that the New Hope agenda has brought optimism and confidence to the people of the FCT. No doubt, the commitment of President Tinubu to improving the lives of Nigerians, particularly the residents of the FCT, have not gone unnoticed. The New Hope agenda has given us hope for a brighter future, and we are confident that under his leadership, the FCT will continue to be a model of development and progress. I commend the President for standing firm in defense of democracy, particularly in ensuring the amendment of the Electoral Act to strengthen the conduct of credible elections. This demonstrates his commitment to improving our democratic process. Let me at this juncture also congratulate the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for conducting a free, fair, and credible election. This is a reflection of President Tinubu's commitment to strengthen democratic institutions and ensuring that our electoral processes are transparent and reliable. I also commend the security agencies for their dedication to duty, ensuring the peaceful conduct of the election. Their efforts have contributed to the successes of this democratic exercise. To the winners of the elections, I congratulate you on your victory. You have been given a mandate to serve the people, and I urge you to do so with humility, dedication, and commitment to excellence. Work tirelessly to improve the lives of the residents and bring development to our communities. To the residents of the FCT, especially those in satellite towns, I once again commend you for coming out in large numbers to exercise your franchise and for doing so in a peaceful and orderly manner. Your participation affirms your trust in our democracy, and I urge you to continue to support the government in its efforts to build a better FCT. As an administration, we pledge to continue to deliver the dividends of democracy to FCT residents in accordance with the New Hope agenda of Mr. President. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, long live FCT. Thank you, and may God bless us all.